Okay, so this video is a quick review on this new training kit I got. Speaking of training kit, this is my lab. He is 9 months old. His name is Winston. Watch my latest video to see all his tricks. He knows around the world. He knows shake. Let's do a little quick shake. Winston, sit. Shake. Good boy. Around the world. Oh, I can't do it here. Around the world. Good boy. So yeah. He knows around the world, shake, up, horse, spin, play dead, all those. Get a little bit. Yeah, so I bought him this trainer kit. I think it was, how much was it? I'll put it on the screen now. I don't know how much it was. I think it was like $24 or something. Super cheap. And we're unboxing it today. Winston, back up. Winston, you're being very loud. Okay, comes with this thing. We are here for you. Oh, you can do puppy. Training a puppy is like raising a child every single way. Yep. Okay, so it comes with potty training bells, training clicker, no bark whistle, and training pouch. Cool. So this is the training pouch, I'm guessing. Here's the clicker. So if you don't know what a clicker is, whenever your dog does something, we already have a clicker, but I guess it came with another one. Winston, back up. Winston! I actually don't need any of this stuff other than the pouch. I could have just ordered a pouch, but it came out as a package, I guess. So this, basically, if your dog's something good, you click it, and then you give them a treat. So anytime you click this, that means they're getting a treat. So it means, like, they did something good, I guess. Whoa. So here's the bells. Winston, leave it. That's very loud. So I guess your dog hits this when they need to use the bathroom. Okay, cool. So it goes on your doorknob. So it goes like this. Yeah. Okay, cool. Loud. What is this? Oh, this is a whistle. Ooh, I'm excited for this, actually. I could use this. Winston, what are you eating? No. No, Chunko. What is this? Oh. Winston! Why, when I'm recording, you're doing this? Okay, so open this bad boy up. Okay, so what is this for? Is this one of the dog whistles? Shit, Winston, back up. Oh shit, the key! Plug her back in there, dude. Gnarly, dude. Give it a little wiggle. And this is the pouch. What else is in here? What is this? Oh, I'm guessing. Okay, this is to put it on you. Wait, so I need to try this whistle out. Sit. Stay. Okay, this whistle. Oh, Jesus! Winston, up. Winston, up. Oh, no, he's... Bro, don't make me... I'll fucking... I'm pretty sure I'm not supposed to be using this like this. Let's read the instructions on how you're supposed to use it. Oof. Pour dispenser. Belt clip, pour dispenser, removable shoulder strap. Okay, that's what that, okay. What else does this come with? Oh, training whistle. Dog whistle is useful training tool. Okay, that's it. That's kind of boring. What it is basically just a thing, so when you whistle and he comes to you, you give him a treat. Okay, so let's try that out. So I got the clicker. I'll use this one, I guess, even though this one's a lot worse than the one I have, but I'm gonna use it. I'm a fucking... Good boy, smile for your camera. Also, he had his... Oh, it's choking me. Oh, I'll put it on him. Come here, there we go. Also, he had his first swim today. Yeah, I'll take this. he was super scared of the water, and I've never gotten in the pool, and we've tried for like a month, and he's alive. But eventually he got it, and now he loves the pool and is obsessed with it. So we were in the pool for about like an hour throwing the frisbee and stuff. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. So just have to do that over and over and over. That's my boy. Stay down. Stay. Stay. I'm really right here. Stay. No. Recorrect. Stay. He's not very good at stay. Shit, this isn't mine. There we go. Stay. Get in your treats and help. Okay, so 2 times a day I give him these. These are like dentist things, and I sometimes forget. And they help with his breath. Sit. 1 in the morning, 1 at night. I forgot to give him his morning one. Sit. Attention, attention. Parakeet. Parakeet. Listen. Up. Parakeet. Oh, okay. Close enough. Forgot to do the clicker. Then, Dental Life Active Fresh. Fight bad breath. It's Source Brothers. Looks like there. We used to have 2 training treats, and then we have peanut butter oven baked biscuits for his. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys on the next one. If you're wondering if the frame quality is better, it is. I had it at 4K 60 frames per second on my old camera. Now it's at 1080p at 60 frames per second, so it's a lot smoother. So I can. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next one, and peace.